Hello, this is Brian McLean with MarineMax and Stuart. Today we have the opportunity to take you through a quick video of a recent trade-in. This is a 2021 290 Sundeck Sea Ray with a stern drive engine. This boat was used in brackish water here in Stuart, Florida. Really well appointed, lift kept, well serviced, well maintained by a meticulous Sea Ray owner. As you can see, looking here at the hull sides, we do have a 3-zone gel coat color. We have the white and black on the sides with a black gel bottom. This is not bottom paint, this is gel. The boat was dry stored. And then we do have the color matched upgraded top with a Dune interior package on the inside. The outdrive is in great shape. Again, all service is up to date. As we look inside the boat, all the upholstery is in really nice condition. No sun damage, no rips, no tears. Overall, cosmetically, the boat is beautiful. The teak table could use a little brightening. Aside from that, the boat is in really nice shape and well appointed with options. We do have the summer kitchen, refrigerator, upgraded Simrad, tower speakers, and we actually have a custom cover for this boat, so it actually breaks down into 3 different pieces. Windlass anchor up in the bow, Seadek throughout the entire boat. We'd love to show you this boat in person or tell you a little bit more about it over the phone. Please feel free to call us at MarineMax Stuart, 772-287-4495. Thank you very much for watching.